Balance this tire, y'all. See if I can put a cap on there. That's my main thing. I wanted to put a cap on there. I save this cap for later. This OEM cap. I definitely want to keep that. All right. Let's balance this tire. The weight that was on there is like it's starting to come off, so I might have to take that one off and swap it for a more stickier one. Okay. Barely got enough room to spin on there, y'all. All right, what I'm looking for. The little Allen key that I probably didn't put back in here. I'm gonna have to organize all my tools again, y'all. Tire balance, y'all. Let me see what size weight this is right here, and I'm gonna just go and replace this one because it's barely hanging on. I'm gonna put it in the exact same spot. 1/4 ounce. I just need something to wipe it with. Let's see if we can put it in the exact same spot. I'm gonna touch these spots up on here. Some kind of little black paint. Give me some kind of little black paint to touch them little nicks up. Go to the automotive store and get a little thing of black paint. Touch these nicks up on my rims. I didn't nick them up too bad, but more than I wanted to. So like I said, I done took it to the shop and they done nicked my tires up, so what that say? Supposedly the people that know what they doing nick your tires up too. Hey. You can't be mad when you do it too. Already separating from this little casing. I need to try to cut it off smooth. You got both of the tires like at 41 psi, so this should be good. And tires balanced. I put the exact same tires that came off here, so no reason for it not to be balanced. We do take a ride. I might stop at like some little automotive place and just get some black touch-up paint. That's what we'll do once we get on the bike today, hopefully. Cause like when they took the weights and stuff out last time, they nicked my rims and stuff up. So it is what it is. Like I said, professionals, I wouldn't call them professionals. The people that know what they doing, supposedly, nicking tires and stuff up too. So it is what it is. All right, let's get this chain on. Set y'all over here. That's a good view. Daddy? Daddy? Dad? Dad? Put my phone at y'all. My phone in the house. My daddy just called me. Back tire semi on there. Trying to squeeze. Ooh, I scratched it up good on this side. It's okay. Like I said, I'll give me some black touch-up paint. You won't even be able to tell. It'll be all right. You think the tire's balanced?
Huh?
You think the tire's balanced?
Yeah, but that ain't doing it though.
Yeah.
Unless you need some weight on the tire, weight can come off the tire. Where you balance it at.
Yeah.
Now, that could be it too.
Yeah.
The front I don't know. That's probably me. I do see some oil on that strut back there. And they ain't. You're supposed to have oil on it, but it ain't supposed to be coming out.
Yeah, it's supposed to be concealed.
Yeah. And that could be. But it ain't doing it, no.
Yeah,
If the tire go bad, I know it's at that front tire. It ain't the back, it's the front.
yeah,
So I rotate it. You get it?
yeah.
I do it tomorrow. Give me something to do tomorrow. I got that done.
Yeah.
A little tire change did work.
It's harder, I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of harder on the back because the back is wider. But I think if I take all this stuff off, Daddy, like all this come off, and it'll slip farther on there, but
Yeah.
I ain't want to take all that off.
Too deep. You did right.
Yeah.
That's too much work.
Yeah,
Too much more work.
yeah,
Create a job for yourself when you ain't got it.
yeah,
That's crazy.
yeah,
Took you a little longer, but it saved you a lot of extra work.
yeah. Okay, work on the chain next.
Huh?
Work on the chain next.
You put a new one on it?
Yeah, I got to put a new back sprocket on there because every time that chain come off, it eat the back one up.
They designed it to do it.
Yeah,
Part of the safety mechanism.
yeah,
Lock it up on it, just mess it up, let it come on off.
yeah,
Probably the best way.
yeah. Huh? You use the impact there.
It ain't more.
Okay.
Yeah, I put my,
Or I got the what you call too, that the 4-way.
it's that one without the little end on it. It's like this off of it.
Okay.
Lock it up right there.
On the back.
Yeah, that's why you always
Them tires make it look brand new, Daddy. Them tires make it look like brand new off the showroom floor.
you get to put an overall on and wearing on.
Yeah, that look brand new.
Tighten it up.
Yeah. This one came with,
Always supposed to go over.
yeah. This one came with a little bottle of oil.
Huh?
That's the first time I got one with a little bottle of oil.
But it's chain.
Yeah.
I need to put it out in the sun, bro. Put it out in the sun and get you a little heat on it.
Okay.
Take you a break.